There's something really wonderful to walk into the forests of Canada, the scale of the trees that you see. And you realize those trees are grown by the sun, and they've done this incredible process of photosynthesis to create the strength that they've created over their lifetime. Respect for the tree and its life is something that I believe is part of the respect we put into the architecture of building with wood. Wood resides as the material of choice to make a difference in the quality of our buildings from an environmental point of view. And so now we're sort of blasting into this era of technological innovation in wood that we've never seen before.
I think there's a connection that people have, an understanding about wood that is different. Wood structures really have an unlimited lifespan. We took pieces that were 50 years old out of this building. We even took some wood out of a school in Canmore that was 30 or 40 years old, refinished it, refurbished the components, re-engineered it, and they're virtually as good as new. And that's something that you actually can't do with steel and you can't do with concrete. There's also a real need to have the building fit into the environment here. Building buildings with natural materials, building buildings out of wood, stone, using natural materials that fit the mountain environment. The building needed to feel like it belonged in this place, and it was part of the community and part of that heritage. From a recyclable point of view, wood is vastly superior to other forms of construction.
I think all Albertans have a sense of pride with regards to our industries, and certainly the forest industry, but those of us that live and work in forest-based communities really have that pride because we see firsthand the great work that they do. It's amazing how many jobs that are created in Alberta from the forest industry. We have over 18,000 jobs in the industry, creating economic benefits for Albertans of about $4 billion. So it's a wonderful industry for this province, and we can see that the benefits in jobs, in economic development in our communities is a huge benefit to this province.
Rather than use steel and concrete, which really don't have good environmental footprints and have very high carbon footprints for greenhouse gases, what we need to move towards is wood, which doesn't. It has a much better environmental message as long as it's sourced from sustainably managed forests that we have here in Canada, and therefore it's really always the right choice of material.